Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade, and I'm going to be throwing a lot of information at you on a lot of different stocks, buy and sell signals. Let's see what happens. Before I get into it, I just need to say this is for educational purposes only. Go seek a professional investment advisor before making any decisions, trading assets, securities in the markets. There it is. If you want to need help on technical analysis, we can certainly help you there. But my last video, you guys called me out, said, man, you look sick, tired, you look wore out, and man, that's a fact. I've been grinding, guys. So sorry I pumped out a video when it was at the end of the weekend, and I was just, I should have waited a day or two before I did a video. Anyway, let's just get into it. And also, I was so tired, I ended up saying, I was showing you monthly charts instead of weekly charts, calling them weekly charts. And oh boy, markets have gone really bullish here, guys. And we're in the middle of earnings. It's coming up big time. But Apple weekly chart, we broke over a trend line. So is that a buy? It could be. Here's the problem. If you get into it now, you're pretty extended. We're up quite a bit. But if we stay above this line, I would love for it to stay above it, build a base, and then rally from there. But this is a big time move. Now, listen, if it crosses back down below, that is a bearish death hook. That is a short opportunity if and when that does happen. Watch this line very, very closely. But it's a buy up above that, but it's a tentative buy just because it's so extended. Okay, AMD, take a look at this. Again, these are weekly charts. We had this nice drop, and we just popped. This is a buy. AMD is a buy after such a long drought since March. Down. We are now in buy territory. As long as we can still make higher highs on the weekly, all is well with AMD. Amazon was in this big, nasty rising wedge and continues to be that. Now, this is a bull pullback with hammers. You guys see this? Guys, this could be an opportunity for a buy right now on Amazon. The problem is, can it bust this rising wedge? I love the volume this is a Dragonfly Doji. I love what I'm seeing here. So let's see if we can rally and bust through there. This could be a great buy opportunity on Amazon right now. ARK, if you go over here, I would say stay away from ARK, sell. BABA had a symmetrical triangle breakout. It's looking very choppy at this moment. I would stay away from BABA at this moment. Baidu, take a look here, is up. We pulled back a little bit. We have earnings coming up. Stay away from it due to earnings. Since earnings have rallied up on booking, all looks well there. We're building a high base. I don't like the high bases below this swing high. I would say a half a position buy on this one. If it continues higher, add to that position. If it busts this upper trend line, add to that position. Cisco, symmetrical triangle breakout. Last week was the breakout. That was the buy. We rallied higher. We had earnings. So that earnings, guys, has really helped this. This could continue higher. Catfish, stay away from that. It's a bear flag. I would say more of a sell than a buy. eBay, if you look at this, we're at major resistance, but this is a bull flag, guys. If it breaks out, that'd be good, but we're very extended here. I would like for it to recharge, reload, pull back a little bit, and then blast through, giving us a huge buy opportunity on eBay. Google, we're looking at this. It rallied past. We're a nice uptrend. It rallied past that. It's popping around here. As long as it stays above this trend line, if you're in the trade, continue in the trade. Google with an L, same thing. If you're in the trade, continue with the trade, but I wouldn't say buy at this moment. GoPro, big down. It's just heading down. This is a no bueno. Stay short this if you are short that. Let's go to Meta. Meta is in an uptrend. We just fill in this gap. Be careful with this. This gap being filled could reverse and head down. If so, that is a short. Microsoft, you look at Microsoft, we're in a rising wedge. You got to be very, very careful with that. Bullish move that it did not touch the lower trend line, rallying higher. bullish until it gets to this trend line and then sell for a profit. In other words, you could be getting at 420, no jokes there, guys, and all the way up here to 435, make 15 points on this, be looking for a sell maybe at that point. MU, look at this. We're at resistance. Be very, very careful at this. I'd be looking to take profits in Netflix. We have a high base. Normally, I would say buy the high base. Buy this high base, get ready to go. However, I'm saying this is more of a short-term short than anything. Be very, very careful going long that at this moment. NVIDIA is rallying higher. There's a base that's breaking out. Look for that to buy, but we have earnings coming up. I don't like holding over earnings, but we got major resistance. Be careful if you're going long that. Oracle. And something tells me on NVIDIA, by the way, guys, seeing big volume come in this week already. Do you guys see this? Huge volume, and it's rallying past this. Chances are news is already leaking on what type of earnings they may be coming out with. So this thing could rally up and strong. Oracle, if you look at Oracle, last week was huge. We continue higher. This is a buy opportunity as long as it can get up to this upper line. Palantir, if you look at this, this one's too erratic for me, not interested. PayPal, too erratic, not interested. Short opportunity below that trend line. Roku, not liking that. Very down, not interested in this. Shopify, at a major area of support after earnings, guys. So this could be capitulation at a major area of support. This could be a buy, even though we are way down. We have a RSI if you're looking for a value trade, this could be it at around the $60 mark. If it does go down below this trend line, get out, cut your losses. It was maybe worth the shot. If you look at Snap was the buy coming in this week. Nice bull pullback, popped this week. This is an entry, but look to take profits here or partial out. If it breaks out, add to your position on that. And let's go to Tesla. Tesla's up, building a bull flag. Could be a potential buy right now on that bull flag. And QCOM, look at this. This week breaking out of a trend line, very good. However, if this, by the end of this week, if Thursday and Friday we come crashing back down, that would be a sell, and watch this drop down for several weeks. So how this week ends is very important. So again, am I saying to buy or sell any securities here? Nope, not at all. That's not what we do. We cannot do that. You need to go to a licensed investment advisor, okay, registered investment advisor to do so. My calls here are calls based off of a lot of things that I'm seeing outside of what I talked about that we teach in our mentoring. I share all these things. You should be able, by the end of the mentoring, be able to call these out on buys and or sells. You should be able to do that yourself based off the things that we teach on technical analysis. That is it, my friends. I hope that was beneficial. And for you guys that, talked about me looking sleepy, but showing care for you guys. I mean, the ecosystem we have here and the care that you share and you you share, that you disclose. You guys are amazing. You rock. I appreciate this ecosystem that we have, that you guys are a part of this and listening to me blab on and on about the markets. Very interesting times that we're in. I've been talking about a bearish market. It is to come, my friends. We have to be very patient. It's election year. Things go up in election years. But I'm telling you guys, when that 2-year, 10-year bond inversion writes itself, the ticker on that bomb has been set, and a recessionary pullback should commence. And we're going to be watching these markets for you. And if you like this type, this will be the last. By the way, this will be the last video you ever see from me, unless you hit subscribe. So if you hit subscribe and you don't like the content, you can always unsubscribe. It's easier to unsubscribe than to miss out on this content because you did not subscribe. But if you like the content, if this was worth a midweek video for me to right my wrongs from the last video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like if I've earned it. If I didn't earn it from you, that's fine, that's okay. I mean, you can even give me a down like. I prefer the up likes, not the downs, but you know, equal opportunity here, and it goes both ways. So appreciate all of you guys. Take care. Have a good one. We look forward to a big weekend edition video. You'll not want to miss that, I promise you. Take care. We'll see you guys. Bye. Guys, why are you still here? You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. For learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing, though, is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you were going to learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not going to read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle and with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you are a trader, you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.